There are two events in this problem. One is the acquisition of a building and thereby creating an obligation. The second is the discharge of that obligation. The first event is simple enough. An asset, that is a building, is acquired for rupees 9 lakhs and a corresponding obligation created to that extent. What we are to focus on is the second event, where the obligation is satisfied by the issue of debentures. It appears that the vendor is prepared to accept debentures issued by the company, but on a condition. Condition being that he will accept the debentures provided they are issued at a discount of 10%. Meaning to say that while the company is obliged to him to the extent of rupees 9 lakhs, they will have to issue debentures of a face value totaling to something more than 9 lakhs. Exactly how much? That is to be calculated. We look at the working note. The issue price that the vendor is settling for is rupees 90, being face value of rupees 100 less the discount of 10% agreed upon. The purchase consideration is then divided by this price. The result being the company now has to issue 10,000 debentures of the face value of rupees 100 each, amounting to rupees 10 lakhs. All this to settle an obligation of rupees 9 lakhs. The difference is accounted as discount on issue of debentures, which will eventually be written off as loss suffered by the company. This then is the whole entry to record the discharge of liability by the issue of debentures at a discount. Vendor account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to debenture account.